Hi, in this video I will show you how to buy Pengu token on Solana blockchain. First you need some wallet that supports Solana blockchain. I prefer using Phantom. You can use Phantom or some other else if you want. Add extension to your browser, set up your wallet, deposit some Solana token. You can do it from some other wallet or exchange, or you can buy it directly in Phantom wallet. Click here to buy. Click on Solana, type amount of dollars, for example 50, set up your credit debit card, click buy, and Solana token will be in your wallet. When you have ready your Phantom wallet, find official contract address of Pengu token. You can find it on solscan.io or some other site like CoinGecko or some other else. Go to Solscan, type AG penguins, click on the token. Here on the right side you will find token address, click copy, go to radium.io, decentralized exchange, connect your Solana wallet. Wallet is connected here. Paste token address. You will see here Pengu token. Click on that. Type amount that you want to buy, for example 10. Click swap. Here you will see amount, network fee, and other information. Just click confirm. Wait for transaction to be completed on Solana blockchain and Pengu token will be in your wallet. For now I don't want to click confirm because I already have Pengu token in my wallet. That is all. Thank you for watching.